The Universe Within, written by Neil deGrasse Tyson. The human brain. It's a 3-pound universe, a cosmos of its own. Tucked away within our skulls, it orchestrates every thought, feeling, and action. Every decision we make, every emotion we feel is a result of this incredible organ. This fleshy computer, made up of billions of interconnected cells, allows us to experience the world around us. It processes the sights, sounds, and sensations that define our reality. To love, to create, to dream, these are not just abstract concepts, but tangible experiences crafted by our brain. Understanding the brain is one of the most significant journeys we can embark on. It is a quest that has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries. It is a journey into the very essence of what makes us human. Our connections, our memories, our very sense of self all stem from this remarkable organ. The brain in all its complexity might seem overwhelming at first. Its vast network of neurons and synapses is like a universe within us. But just like exploring the vast cosmos, unraveling its mysteries begins with a single step. Each discovery, each insight brings us closer to understanding. By breaking down the brain's structure and function, we can begin to appreciate its intricate beauty. We can see how each part plays a role in the symphony of our existence. We can begin to understand the processes that give rise to consciousness itself. The brain is not just an organ, it is the seat of our thoughts, our dreams, our very being. Mapping the cosmos of the mind. The brain, much like our planet, has different regions, each with its own unique geography and purpose. The cerebrum, the largest part, is responsible for our higher cognitive functions. Think language, memory, and reasoning. Deep within the cerebrum lies the limbic system, the seat of our emotions. Tucked beneath the cerebrum is the cerebellum, vital for coordination and balance. It ensures our movements are smooth and precise. Finally, we have the brainstem, the brain's ancient core. It connects the brain to the spinal cord, controlling essential life functions like breathing and heart rate. Neurons, the spark of thought. These tiny yet incredibly powerful cells are the building blocks of our brain's complex network. The brain is built of billions of specialized cells called neurons. Each neuron is unique, with its own specific role in the grand orchestra of the mind. Imagine them as tiny messengers, constantly sending and receiving electrical and chemical signals. These signals are like the notes in a symphony, each one contributing to the overall harmony. These signals are the language of the brain, allowing different parts to communicate with each other. This communication is essential for everything we do, from simple reflexes to complex thoughts. They are the foundation of every thought, feeling, and action. Whether we are solving a math problem, feeling joy, or moving our hand, neurons are at work. Neurons connect at junctions called synapses. These connections are where the magic happens, where one neuron can influence another. When a signal reaches a synapse, it triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. These chemicals are the messengers that carry the signal across the gap. These neurotransmitters cross the gap, activating the next neuron in line. This process is incredibly fast and efficient, ensuring that our brain can process information quickly. This intricate dance of electrical and chemical signals is happening billions of times every second, creating a symphony of activity within our skulls. It's this symphony that makes us who we are, enabling us to think, feel, and act in the world. The ever-changing brain. For a long time, scientists believed that the adult brain was fixed and unchanging. However, we now know that the brain possesses an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. This means the brain can rewire itself throughout our lives. It can strengthen existing connections and even form new ones. Neuroplasticity is what allows us to learn new skills, adapt to new environments, and even recover from brain injuries. Every time we learn something new, our brain changes. Every new experience leaves its mark on the intricate web of our neural connections. Memories, echoes of experience. Memory is one of the most fascinating and complex functions of the brain. It's the ability to store and retrieve information over time, shaping our identities and guiding our actions. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a crucial role in forming new memories. There are different types of memory. Short-term memory holds information for a short period, like remembering a phone number. Long-term memory stores information for extended periods, even a lifetime. These memories are not stored in a single location, but are distributed throughout the brain. the chemical messengers of the mind. Neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, play a crucial role in shaping our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. These chemicals are released at synapses, influencing how neurons communicate with each other. Each neurotransmitter has a specific role, like actors in a grand play. Dopamine, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter, is involved in reward and motivation. Serotonin contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being. GABA, an inhibitory neurotransmitter, helps to calm the brain and reduce anxiety. Understanding the roles of these chemical messengers is key to unraveling the complexities of the brain. Sleep, the brain's nightly reset. Sleep is not just about resting our bodies, it's essential for the brain to function at its best. During sleep, the brain is incredibly active, consolidating memories, clearing out toxins, and strengthening neural connections. Think of sleep as the brain's nightly maintenance routine, essential for optimal performance. Chronic sleep deprivation can have serious consequences for brain health, affecting our mood, cognitive abilities, and even our physical health. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy brain, allowing it to process information effectively and recharge for the day ahead. The symphony of emotions. Emotions are a fundamental part of the human experience. They color our perceptions, influence our decisions, and shape our interactions with the world. But where do emotions come from? How does the brain generate these powerful subjective experiences? The limbic system, an ancient part of the brain, plays a central role in processing emotions. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, is involved in fear and emotional responses. The hippocampus helps us form memories associated with emotions. The prefrontal cortex, a more evolved part of the brain, helps us regulate our emotions and make decisions based on logic and reason. Artificial intelligence, decoding the brain. The human brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, is arguably the most complex structure in the known universe. Understanding how it works is a daunting task, but one that scientists are tackling with increasing sophistication. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in this endeavor. AI algorithms, inspired by the brain's structure and function, are being used to analyze brain imaging data, model neural networks, and even develop new treatments for neurological disorders. The insights gleaned from AI are helping us to decode the brain's intricate workings, paving the way for a deeper understanding of consciousness itself. The future of brain exploration. The exploration of the brain is still in its early stages, but the potential it holds is immense. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of this complex and mysterious organ which controls everything we do, think, and feel. But the future of brain research is filled with promise, as scientists and researchers are making groundbreaking discoveries every day. New technologies and innovative research methods are emerging all the time, allowing us to peer deeper into the brain than ever before, revealing its intricate workings. Imagine a future where we can treat neurological disorders with precision, offering hope to millions who suffer from conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy. Unlock the secrets of consciousness, understanding what makes us aware and self-reflective beings, and even enhance our cognitive abilities, pushing the boundaries of human potential and intelligence. These possibilities, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are now within the realm of possibility, thanks to the relentless pursuit of knowledge and innovation. The journey to understand the brain is a journey to understand ourselves, our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. And it is a journey that will continue to captivate and inspire generations to come, driving us to explore the final frontier within. The final frontier. The human brain is the ultimate frontier. It is the source of our thoughts, our emotions, our very essence. Understanding how this complex organ works is one of the greatest challenges facing science today, but it is a challenge that we must embrace, for within the intricate workings of the brain lie the secrets to who we are, where we came from, and what we might become. The journey to understand the brain is a journey to understand the universe itself. It is a journey that will continue to inspire and challenge us for generations to come.